Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. I hope you all will be good, and we are proceeding to the next MCQs on the topic of ellipse. Today we are going to learn all MCQs on the topic of ellipse. So first MCQs we write here the equation 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 36 represents circle, parabola, C hyperbola, and D ellipse. So given that the equation, look here positive show that here that equation is according to the condition of ellipse. Ellipse condition is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. And hyperbola we can write here x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. And so we can write here parabola y square is equal to plus minus 4ax, or x square is equal to plus minus 4ay. These are the parabola and circle, so we can write x square plus y square is equal to r square. So look here, this equation here plus is represent here, just only plus is here and also plus is here, means that ellipse and circle, this is not correct and this is also not correct. Just we are taking decision about this one. Here is 1 is required and here r we will can write to what is the result. Now we simplify this equation. If we divide both sides by 36, so we get here, look here, 36 if we divide on both sides by 36, so the result is 36 divided by 36, we get here 1 because we are required here 1 and 2 and 18 and 12. So we get here equation x squared divided by 18 plus y squared divided by 12 is equal to 1. So it means that this equation is correct, and the above equation conclude that x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1 is an equation of the and standard form. And standard form is, that is circle, parabola, and C ellipse, and D hyperbola. So standard form of equation is given that how we can write this is an equation which is the standard form. So this is given that given is that is called ellipse. We have already done x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1, or we can write this equation x square divided by b square plus y square divided by a square is equal to 1. A is greater than b and a is greater than b. So that is the equation of ellipse. The given condition, the given equation is given that is called ellipse. The equation of ellipse whose foci are given that whose foci are 0 plus minus 4 and length of minor axis 6 units is what is the result? That is x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 9 is equal to 1, and x square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 36 is equal to 1, and c x square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 16 is equal to 1. D is none of these. So equation of the ellipse whose foci are given that according to this formula, foci is given that 0 plus minus foci is equal to a b. So the parabola ellipse is making along y-axis. So along y-axis here is plus is given that v r now c is required here. It means that y is equal to that one. So and minor axis will be equal to 2b. Minor axis will be here. Minor axis will be 2b, and here 2b, if we are finding from this result, for example here if we are finding here minor axis is that one is 16 and here is for 8 there, but here is 6, so that is also and y-axis that is the y-axis, that is also y-axis is just only y-axis that one. So 6 multiplied by 12, so multiplied by 12 is equal to minor whose foci are plus minus 4 along y-axis. 4 is the result, so that is not anyone is available, so none of these is the correct option. The length of major axis of the ellipse x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. A is greater than b is 4a, b minus 4a, and c 2a, and d 2b. A is greater than b. So the length of major axis we have already discussed. In the length of major axis will be, length is required major axis also, that will be 2a. So a is greater than b, so correct option is here C. And question number 5, the length of minor axis. The length of minor axis of the ellipse x square b square plus y square divided by a square is equal to 1. A is greater than b. A is equal to a, and b is equal to b, and c is equal to 2a, and d is equal to 2b. So along y-axis is the greater than 1 major axis, and it means that here minor axis is required. Minor axis will be, then we put x is equal to to B. So option D is here the correct option. So how we calculate? Look here, if we draw here, the same here is, look here, these are the major axis is A is greater than B. So if we draw, this will be 0 and plus A, and here this point is 0 and minus A, and here B and 0 and B minus B and 0. These are the minor axis. This is the major axis. A is given. The ellipse is along y-axis, major axis. So the length of minor axis will be, we put here 2b. B plus B is equal to 2b. Equation of ellipse. The equation of ellipse whose foci are plus minus 2 and 0, and the eccentricity is given, and eccentricity is 1/2. So it means that here equation is required. A is equal to x square divided by 16 minus y square divided by t is equal to 1, and B is equal to x square divided by 16 and y square divided by 12 is equal to 1, and C is equal to x square divided by 16 plus y square divided by 36 is equal to 1. D is equal to none of these. So foci is required from the here foci according to this formula plus minus AE, or we can write RC is equal to 0. That is the value of C is equal to 2, or AE is equal to 2 plus minus AE. But here we are required, it means that the value of a square and b square plus b square is required ellipse, and the ellipse, the equation must be positive. So that equation is correct, that is already hyperbola equation, so it is not correct. We decided here B or C is the correct option. So how we calculate here a square and b square we are finding here, and eccentricity is also given, that eccentricity is equal to C divided by A is equal to 1/2, and C, if we put here C is equal to here 2 divided by A is equal to 1/2. If we take cross multiplication of this one, so 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to A is equal to 4 is equal to A. We get A square is equal to 16. As we know that C is equal to A square minus B square, and C is given that 2, and A square we have find here, that will be equal to 16, and what is the value of B? So B square, if we change here 16 minus 2, we get here 14. So the answer B will be correct option. Question number 8. The length of the major axis of the ellipse x square divided by b square plus y square divided by a square is equal to 1, and a is greater than b is, what is the result? X is equal to 0, b y is equal to 0, and c is equal to x is equal to minus a, and b d is equal to x y is equal to minus a. Look here, major axis of the ellipse is equal to, if a is here, major axis here is 2a. If we are finding major axis, so we put x is equal to 0. So correct option is here A